Hi guys, welcome to special series number 91. There were few doubts who were asked to us from some of the friends. So I thought we thought maybe we should have a video on this. So first and foremost is this how follow-up is taken and how care of the TV is taken. What we have done, there is someone called block education officer and there is someone called Kendra Pramukh. Kendra Pramukh is the person who all the sirs and teachers of that Kendra report to Kendra Pramukh, and Kendra Pramukh report to block education officer. We call them Gatta Shikshan Adhikari in Marathi. So we met Gatta Shikshan Adhikari, block education officer of Thane Jilla as well as Palghar Jilla, and we gave them a follow-up sheet that these are the schools which have been digitized by us. We have created a WhatsApp group of all Kendras wherein we have told the sirs and teachers that every day or every alternate day a video should be posted on that group, so we will get to know that TVS care has been taken off, and this follow-up is then passed to Kendra Pramukh and Gatta Shikshan Adhikari. So the follow-up of TV is taken and every TV is working very fine. Secondly, we have given stabilizer also to each TV, so that whenever, because of this mountainous region, there are the chances of high up and down voltage going. So because of the stabilizers, the voltage power is taken care of. That is the second point. Third point, how many of them asked how this syllabus is being shown to all these mountain based tribal ZP schools. So there are two options here. First is a Jio hotspot, and there are few schools where Jio hotspot doesn't go, the range doesn't come. So what these sirs and teachers do, they load the syllabus of 1st to 4th or 1st to 5th standard in their pen drive, and then that is being shown to the kids. So this is how the syllabus has been taken care of. We are going to post this on Facebook and Instagram. Now one more point, there is an alignment of CBSE board along with state board in coming months, and as you know, CBSE board is very tough, but this TV will show all the topics of CBSE board, and that will be very easy for our kids, tribal ZP school kids. So these are all the points. If you have any point or any doubts, do call us. Our number is flashed on the screen. You can WhatsApp or you can call. You can come to these places. You can see yourself how we are doing, how is the process is so transparent and everything. If you like what we are doing for making us a Vikasit Bharat, then definitely you can come and join this mass movement by donating 32 inch smart TVs. Corporate NGOs, as always, you are welcome with 100, 200, 500 TVs. Thank you. Thanks a lot.